YouTube? I'm Lizard Gamer, and you may be asking why I'm riding an ostrich. I'm riding an ostrich because I like ostriches, and I'm gonna terrorize my dogs. How do you feel about this, Franklin? Okay. My dog loves me. Now back to Franklin. Franklin, how do you think this ostrich has ruined your community? Good to know. Back to Teddy. What's wrong, Teddy? What's wrong? Fine, stop. Gosh, so rude. By the way, my ostrich's name is Ostrich. Very exotic. Back to Franklin. I didn't ask you, Teddy! That's what I thought. Now back to Sleepy Boy Frank. Good to know. That's it for today. This is part 1 of Terrorizing My Doggos. Yay!